these are the road bikes and the model is Firefox Tsurugi. Look at the design, man. It has sharp edge cutting which gives it a nice aerodynamic look. So guys, now let's talk about the drivetrain. This bike contains Shimano 105 group set, which contains 2 speed in the front and in the rear 11 speed. Shimano 105 group set is an advanced level group set. The shifter is from Shimano 105. So as we all know that road bikes contains drop handlebars and the handlebar is very narrow so that the rider can maintain his aggressive position. So this characteristics is same maintained with this bike too. So yes, very good bike. In road bikes, we need to shift the brake lever just for shifting the gear. Guys, can you guess the width of the tire? How narrow it is, how narrow. The width of the tire is 25 millimeter, which is smaller than 1 inch too. Uh, this provides very low rolling resistance against the surface so that the bike can move even faster. So the tire is from Kenda and it contains Formula hubs and it contains quick release. The function of quick release is that when we pull up the lever, then the tire can easily come off from the bike, and this makes it easily repairable, and also this makes it very much beneficial for transportation. So the fork is carbon rigid fork. This is made up of carbon, so it's very much lightweight, and also the front fork has the ability to absorb the structural vibrations, so this makes it very effective. This bike comes with two color variants, one is red, another is charcoal. This contains coil suspension in the front, and it contains Shimano Altus derailleur in the front as well as in the rear. So the next brand is from Bergamot. This is Bergamot Revox 3 Silver. This is an entry-level bike. This bike is also from Bergamot. This is Bergamot Revox 7. This is Bergamot Revox 7. So in this bike, hydraulic disc brake is provided. Shimano MT200 hydraulic disc brakes are provided in this bike. Hydraulic disc brakes are very powerful than normal mechanical disc brakes. In the rear, the disc size is 160 mm and in the front, the disc size is 180 mm. So the braking system is very powerful. So the frame of this bike is made out of carbon. Carbon frame makes it very lightweight, and the weight of this bike is about 11 kgs. So can we even imagine an NTV coming within weight of 11 kg? The suspension is from RockShox. It is an air suspension. The model is RockShox TK Air Solo Silver. It is with 100 mm travel. As we all know that air suspension is much better than the normal coil suspension in terms of performance. So this makes the rider very much comfortable while riding in rough terrain, especially mountains. Now let's talk about the shifter. This bike contains Shimano SL M6 100 Rapid Fire Plus shifter. So now let's talk about the drivetrain. This bike contains 2x10 Shimano Deore drivetrain. Shimano Deore is an advanced level drivetrain. This is Giant brand MTB. This is an entry level bike. It contains Shimano Tourney group set and coil suspension. This is Hero Electro, an electric bike. Now let's go inside the GC Cycle servicing area. Let's go inside. Now finally, this is my bike. This is Scottscale 960, which I finally bought from this store. So this is GC Cycle store. This store mainly deals with various international brands like Scott, Bergamot, etc. Please guys do visit this store, and I will be putting this address. The address is Kalikapur near Dhakuria. If you guys like this video, then please put a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Click the bell icon for more latest videos.